Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Wuthering Waves on PC. So there are two ways you can do this. You can either download the executable file or you can simply launch the Epic Game Store and download it from there. So in this video, I'll show you both ways. So let's start with the executable file. So all you have to do is simply launch your browser and then type in wutheringwaves.kurogames.com, this site, and then launch the site, and then you should get to this page. So from here, simply click on the Windows option. Here it is, just below App Store. Just click on the Windows option. It will take you to this page. And then from here, you'll be asked to choose the location or where you'll want to save that setup file. So let me select desktop and then click on save. And then give it a few seconds for that file to be downloaded. And then once the file is downloaded, all you have to do is simply click on it from here, or you can simply find that file on your desktop. Since I already saved it on the desktop, all I have to do is find it and double click on it. And then allow any permissions that might be required. And then you should get to this window. Now from here, all you have to do is simply click on this check mark. I have read and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on that. And also you can click on customize and choose whereby you'd like that particular file to be saved at, or rather this game to be saved at. So for me, I'll just leave it at that. But if you want to change the location, all you have to do is just simply click on browse and choose the location you prefer, and then click on select folder. Now, once you're done, simply click on install, give it a few seconds, and then you should see this notification, installation complete. So simply click on start. And now you should get in this to this page. Now from here, all you have to do is just click on this path and then choose the location you'd like to save that particular game if you want to save it on a different folder. But for me, I'll just leave it at that. And then ensure that you have enough space. So disk space required is 44.23 GB. And since I have an available space, so on your PC, ensure that you have enough space to install this game. Now, once you have confirmed everything, all you have to do is simply click on download. And now the download will begin. And that's basically it on how to install Wuthering Waves using the executable file. Now, the other way is by simply using the Epic Games Launcher or the Epic Games Store. So all you have to do is launch the Epic Games if you have it on your PC. But if you don't have it, I have a video on how to install it. So I'll link it down in the description below. Now give it a few seconds for the Epic Games Launcher to launch. So let's wait for a few seconds. Now from here, you'll be prompted to sign into your account. So for me, I've enabled auto signing, so that's why it has automatically signed in. Once you sign into your account, all you have to do is click on this search bar and type in Wuthering Waves. And then click on it. Give it a few seconds. And then from here, you should get to this page. Now, before you install the game, all you have to do is scroll to the bottom and find these Wuthering Waves system requirements. Now from here, check if your PCs can handle this game. So ensure that you have an OS version of Windows 10 or Windows 11. You have this CPU. You have at least 16 GB memory, and you have a good GPU to support that. And also, you should have enough storage. Now, once you're done checking the system requirements, you can scroll back to the top, and then you should see these options. Now, since you want to download it on PC, all you have to do is simply click on Get, and then give it a few seconds. And then from here, simply select Place Order. But if you'd like, you can simply check this mark to share your email with that Kuro Games. So if you want that, you can simply select that. If you don't want to, you can just leave it unchecked. And then simply click on Place Order. And then give it a few seconds. And then once done, you can simply click on View in Library, or you can simply exit this page And then all you have to do is go and click on library and then find Wuthering Waves. It should be the first one. But in case you don't find it, you can utilize the search bar here and type Wuthering Waves and you should find it. Now from here, simply click on install. And then from here, you can choose the folder you'd like to save that particular game. Also, you can choose either to auto-update the game or you can choose to create a shortcut for that particular game. So I'll just leave it at auto-update and then I'll uncheck this and then ensure that you have enough space. So all you have to do is click on install. Once you have confirmed everything, simply click on install and then confirm any permissions that might be required. And now Wuthering Waves will be installed on your PC. Now let's give it a few seconds. So you can click on it. Once you install, just click on it and then allow any permissions. So let me do that again. Once you have done that, okay. Once you have done that, it should automatically take you to this place, to this window or this menu. Now from here, you should simply choose the path you'd prefer and also ensure that you have enough storage space. And then all you have to do is simply click on download and that will download Wuthering Waves on your PC. So that's basically it on how to install this game on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.